ò ní pé kẹ́nikẹ́ni má tiẹ̀ bú mi àbí sọ ẹ̀gàn
I don't say anyone should not insult me or reproach me.
Mi ò tiẹ̀ bẹ̀rù ẹ̀dá kankan.
I fear no human being.
Lẹ́yìn bí Ọlọ́run ṣe wí yìí.
As our God has spoken.
Tí Nàìjíríà bá vote APC ní 2023.
If Nigeria vote APC in the year 2023.
Ṣé hard lẹ́rí Ades.
You are experiencing the hardest time now.
Ades.
You see a more tougher and tougher.
Àárín ènìyàn á fẹ́ jẹ ènìyàn bí ẹni jẹun.
You always want to eat human being like food.
Bí Olúwa mi ṣe wí.
As the God has spoken.
Bí Ọlọ́run Ẹlẹ́dùmarè ṣe sọ fún mi.
As the living God has spoken.
Mi ò ní kẹ́nikẹ́ni má tiẹ̀ wá halẹ̀ àbí sọ ohunkóhun.
I don't say no one should tread or say anything.
Mi ò dẹ̀ ní pé bóyá o jẹ́ ọmọ ẹgbẹ́ APC kó láìkì mi.
I don't even care if you belong to APC.
Mi ò ní sọ kó lọ fọwọ́ ẹ tẹ̀ka ìbò.
All you say don't go and complain.
Mo sọ fún yín ní ìgbà ní 2015 pé wo nǹkan tó wà nílẹ̀ báyìí o.
I told us in the year 2015 that look at it.
Irọ́ lẹ fẹ́ dìbò fún 2023.
You want to vote for life.
Tẹ́ bá dìbò fún ẹgbẹ́ kí ni àwòrán wọn náà? Ẹgbẹ́ ìgbálẹ̀.
If you vote for the party that has broom as their symbol.
Àánú ṣọ́ọ̀ṣì ṣe mí, àánú ṣọ́ọ̀ṣì ṣe mí, àánú ṣọ́ọ̀ṣì ṣe mí.
I pity churches.
Ebi tó máa pa yín.
The hunger that was for you.
Ẹni kí ló dé?
You ask yourself,
èmi ò tako anybody.
I am not antagonizing
èmi ò dẹ̀ ń dìbò.
And I don't vote neither.
Mo sọ bí Ọlọ́run ṣe rán mi.
I speak as God has sent me.
Nàìjíríà máa lé kókó. Mi ò ní pé tí bàbá ẹ bá jẹ́ chairman APC mi ní kí ló má bí.
I never said
mi ò
if your
support
father
PDP
is the chairman of
àbí
APC.
Labour.
Neither do I support PDP
Ohun
or
tó máa
Labour.
pay Nàìjíríà.
You want to pay this country Nigeria.
Ní kí a lọ fún true federalism.
For us to go for true federalism.
Àbí ká pín.
Or we should restructure or secede.
Nǹkan tí Ọlọ́run sọ fún àwa nìyẹn.
And that's what God is telling our Father in the Lord.
Tẹ́ bá tẹ̀ka.
If you decide to vote.
Tí Tinubu bá ti wọlé.
If Tinubu wins.
Gbogbo yín ti wọnú ibú lọ nìyẹn.
All of you are going into John.
Olúwa ló sọ bẹ́ẹ̀.
That is God has spoken.
Bí mo ṣe ń sọ yìí náà ni kẹ́ ṣe jù live bẹ́ẹ̀.
Just let it go live. Let it go live as spoken.
Bí mo ṣe sọ yìí.
Just we have said it.
Jẹ́ ń sọ lóyìnbó kọ́ lè mọ̀ pé mo mọ̀ nǹkan tí mò ń sọ.
Let me say it in English so that the world
Sọ
understands.
Yorùbá ẹ̀ mo sọ Yorùbá ẹ̀.
Okay, sir.
If Nigerians vote for APC.
Orílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà tó bá dìbò fún ẹgbẹ́ òṣèlú
Nigeria will
APC.
sink.
Kódà Nàìjíríà yóò wọ inú ìrà.
In poverty.
And the
economy will be in shambles.
Kódà ọrọ̀ ajé wa yóò lọlẹ̀ sí i.
If the government of APC continues.
Tí ìjọba APC bá tẹ̀síwájú.
Nigeria will suffer extraordinary.
Kódà ìyà orílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà yóò wà ní ìlọ́po ìlọ́po.
I'm not in support of anybody.
Mi ò tiẹ̀ fọwọ́ tẹ ẹnikẹ́ni lẹ́yìn.
As a matter of fact, I don't vote.
Kódà mi ò tiẹ̀ ń dìbò.
And I will never vote.
Kódà mi ò tí gbà kan ní dìbò.
I am telling you that.
Mo sọ fún un pé.
We have never seen Archie before.
A ò tiẹ̀ tí ì ní ìnira tó.
Then this is when we now experience more Archie.
Kódà aṣẹ̀wá bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní ìnira ni.
We will be sick. The economy will be sick.
Kódà àṣà rẹ̀ ọjọ́ ajé wa náà yóò ṣòjòjò.
I'm not saying anybody should like me.
Mi ò fẹ́ kẹ́nikẹ́ni kó fẹ́ràn mi o.
If I bring a letter to you tomorrow.
Tí n bá mú lẹ́tà wá tọ́jú rẹ lọ́la.
If I bring appeal fund to you, don't give it to
fún mi
me.
lówó kó ràn mí lọ́wọ́ bí wọ́n bá tẹ̀ fọ́ sí o.
That's what the Lord have said.
Torí ntọ́nà ń wí rèé.
And I stand, and that's why I make the pronouncement.
Mo dẹ̀ sì dúró lórí ẹ̀ tó jẹ́ kí n
This is a prophecy.
Àní àsọtẹ́lẹ̀ rèé.
Kò jù yẹn lọ.
It's not much more than that.
Say amen.
Say amen.
You are saying that this person cannot perform. Yet you are saying he in our party nonsense. I've told, if you vote party, the way you will suffer, me, I'll be here, I'll tell you, I won't suffer with you. Nothing will make me suffer with you. I know too much that I can't suffer. But I can tell you, look, you know I'm a man of God. Try to make mistake. Neither will tumble to 5,000. If you don't want another to tumble to 5,000, better tell yourself what to do. It's a word to...
Ẹ jọ̀ọ́, ẹ bá subscribe, tẹ̀mí dá ilé rárá, ẹ bá subscribe.